Hey there, health-conscious folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a tropical treat in store for you, the incredible health benefits of eating pineapple every day. Pineapple isn't just a delicious fruit, it's a powerhouse of nutrients that can do wonders for your health. So, grab a piña colada, or just a slice of pineapple, and let's dive right in. Nutritional overview. First off, let's talk about the nutritional profile of this golden delight. Pineapple is rich in vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin C, manganese, and vitamin B6. It's also a fantastic source of dietary fiber and contains enzymes like bromelain, which have some unique health benefits. 1. Boosting immunity. One of the most significant advantages of consuming pineapple regularly is its ability to boost your immune system. Thanks to that hefty dose of vitamin C, pineapple helps strengthen your body's defenses against illnesses. This makes it an excellent fruit to ward off colds and other infections. 2. Digestive health. Pineapple is a natural digestive aid. Bromelain, the enzyme found in pineapple, can break down proteins and help with digestion. This can reduce bloating, gas, and other digestive discomforts. So, if you have a sensitive stomach, consider adding pineapple to your diet. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain isn't just good for digestion, it's also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. This makes pineapple a great choice for people dealing with conditions like arthritis. It may help reduce joint pain and inflammation. 4. Weight management. If you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight, pineapple can be your ally. It's low in calories, high in fiber, and the natural sweetness can curb your sugar cravings. Plus, it helps with digestion, which can promote better nutrient absorption. 5. Skin health. Let's not forget about your skin. The vitamin C in pineapple is essential for collagen production, which keeps your skin looking youthful and radiant. It can also help with acne and skin inflammation. 6. Heart health. Pineapple can contribute to a healthy heart. The potassium content helps regulate blood pressure. And the antioxidants in pineapple can reduce the risk of heart disease by fighting off free radicals. Conclusion and recipe idea. In conclusion, adding pineapple to your daily diet can bring a host of health benefits. Whether you eat it fresh, blend it into smoothies, or incorporate it into salads and desserts, there are endless delicious ways to enjoy this tropical treasure. Remember, while pineapple is incredibly nutritious, moderation is key. Don't overindulge, especially if you have certain medical conditions or allergies. As always, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist before making significant dietary changes. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. Thanks for joining me on this fruity adventure. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep enjoying those pineapples. See you in the next video.